hush of expectation all over the crowd. Over 5,000 people with many celebrities also gathered over here for this, the final round, the big title bout.
Right there, that was the first proper contact.
You're very right, Patrick. It's very much similar to the fight against Kerry Hope.
The crowd rising to their feet now. The chant of Vijender. Vijender is going up. Of course, that southpaw stance. Zulfikar coming forward inside the final 10 seconds now of round number one. Difficult to award this one to either man. Or will this turn into a Chinese nightmare? Because my mighty Ali, you can see, looks like he's in shape for this contest, certainly more so than some of Vijender's previous opponents.
But it's still very early days in this unification bout. Titles on the line. Zulfikar, we know, and got a nice right in. If anybody's done some damage, it's probably Zulfikar.
Going with the right by Vijender. Zulfikar beckoning him on for more, but that was the first decent contact Vijender's made.
The crowd loves it. Well, they both listed as 6 foot tall, but I do think Vijender has a slight height advantage, perhaps an inch or so. It's also a question of how much can you take, and we know that Vijender has taken quite a bit in his career. So they kept connected by Zulfikar. Vijender gets back a right. Billet that for now, because it certainly is. Vijender's not getting away easily. A big right by Vijender, right on the button. Zulfikar comes back. Wow!
Zulfikar had a slight wobble there. They say in boxing, one punch can change a fight, and never truer words were spoken. And Vijender on the attack there on the counter. Rocked.
It's extending his left hand.
He got it with that right. The right came across and made contact. He can bang, we can know that. Vijender can box, so who wins, the banger or the boxer? Vijender now going on the assault, and all of a sudden they're both unloading toe-to-toe. Vijender coming back for more. With this fight being so close, that could come back to haunt him, and that left almost caught Vijender. Vijender comes straight back with the right, and then Zulfikar with the right, and comes in to try and make contact with the body, and then now I think Zulfikar's asking for a low blow. Many Indians, I'm sure, all over the world cheering on Vijender, and of course the huge Chinese population worldwide getting behind their man Zulfikar. When you think that these two men represent the two biggest countries on the planet, what a sight and spectacle this is. At the 8th round of this championship thriller, as blood pours out, and Vijender Singh's nose and his core with the right, and then Zulfikar catches Vijender twice, and Vijender Singh needed the belt badly that he's never been to before.
There we go, the end of a superlative fight.
Has scored it 95-94. The WBO Asia Pacific and the WBO Oriental Super Middleweight Champion. In the red corner, Vijender! The knockout Singh! Commiserations, you put up a fabulous show here today.